Start. Hi guys, I'm Kim. We have something special for you guys today. Well, for the ladies, well, some guys, obviously too. We have the Dyson SuperSonic hair dryer. Now, this thing is supposed to be amazing. We've heard so many amazing things, and today we get to try it for ourselves. So let's take a look inside and see what we got. Let me just get into this thing quick. Okay. Whoopsie. Okay. Okay. Got quite a bit. The first thing I actually see is the diffuser, even though I don't have curly hair, but what the heck. And a big ass manual. big manual. Okay. Let's see. So we got two nozzles here. I'm guessing one is for styling and the other one is for smoothing. I can't tell. I don't think I've got time to read through this entire thing at the moment. That'll take all day. Okay, then we've got a little mat. Is that to protect your table or I don't know. Okay, next one is what we've all been waiting for. That is the hair dryer. Okay, and there is that diffuser, the first thing I saw. Okay, and this cable, believe it or not, is actually 2.7 meters long. So you can definitely get around everywhere with this thing. Now, the trick is, how do these actually connect? Sorry, it's magnetic. Okay. Is it this? Oh shit. Okay, so the pieces are magnetic, guys. That is pretty awesome. Love it. Okay, we're gonna have to try this now. We're gonna have to see what it looks like, or how it actually functions, actually, rather. Shit. It's really powerful. Not as quiet as I thought. Yeah. Okay, and also on the back here, you've got all your buttons. The cooling button, sadly you have to hold this thing in while you're holding it to blow dry your hair. There's the on and off button. Sorry, before I blast myself away. Then you got your, I think that's the heat button. I have to look at the manual, sorry. And then that controls the speed of the fan, I think. Let's try. Yeah, that slows down. Is that the heat? Yes, that's the heat. And yeah, nice and cool. Okay, cool. And blow myself away there. As you can see, I'm having a really crappy hair day. All frizzy. Hair is very uneven. I've got a kink here somewhere from my ponytail. I wear a ponytail all the time. So I think we'll go for the smoothing nozzle. Hopefully that will smooth my hair out. Where's the brush? Hopefully I don't tangle my hair. I think I should brush my hair first. Sorry guys, I'll be a minute. Too much hair. Can we do it without a brush? Do we need a brush? I don't know. No idea. Just turn up the heat. Okay, here we go. Nice and warm. So that side, using this buddy. This side, if there's much hair, before, all frizzy. This buddy is actually far better than any hair dryer I've actually come across. I mean, I have my hair dry and it straightened my hair out quite nicely. I mean, look at that, come on. What else? Silent, no, not so much. But it's definitely not as loud as you expect it to be. I don't know what to say about the conclusion. Do we love it? I should be putting it on the mat. Do you put this thing on the mat? Is it to remove nozzles? Look. Compared to what I use, I can't even remember the brand. This is actually a hell of a lot better. Like, this is like a Ferrari of hair dryers. This is the Ferrari of hair dryers, okay? Like, I'm gonna have so much fun with that. Just click. Small things amuse small minds. Yes, yes. Yes. Love the feel of it, love the touch of it, love the how you can change the powers. I mean, come on. Even lights show up at the back to tell you. Okay, yes. Just be careful you don't blow yourself away.